Hey guys, this is Lisa with GeekGirlFinds. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing an eye makeup tutorial from the using the colors from the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette. I got this recently because I had not tried any of ColourPop's eyeshadows yet and saw a bunch of great videos online, and I've heard wonderful things. So of course I wanted to experience it for myself. So anyways, I've been playing around with it. I love it. And I just wanted to share a fun eye look that I came up with. It's probably definitely more of an evening look. But I wanted to share it with you. So please do not forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we're going to get right into it. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, so we're back. So I finished up off camera just to kind of save time. Most of us know how to put eyeliner on, but as I showed you, I used the Essence Easy to Use Jumbo Eyeliner. It's like a liquid. It's like on a felt tip pen. And I finished up also with my favorite holy grail of mascaras, the Essence Lash Princess. And this is the false lash effect. So, but anyways, this is the final look. You know, I would say for most people, this would definitely be an evening look. I, however, would go to the grocery store like this. So it's up to you and your preferences. But I think this is a fantastic palette. The mattes aren't too dried out. The shimmery ones are really creamy, really easy to use. It's very blendable. It's a hit for me. So anyways, if you like this look, please let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions for me. And thank you again for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.